2007 Dodge Caliber, a 2012 Dodge Caliber, the 2007 engine, the 2012 engine. Everything lines up. And for people that think all engines got to go out the bottom, man, you're wrong. All you got to do is find the way to do it. The best way to do the Dodge Caliber, take off that big ass bracket that's holding the power steering, the alternator, and the AC compressor. And it'll come straight out the top. Lay your intake to the side on your battery box. Take your breather off. Pull your engine out. You got 3 bolts there, 3 bolts here, and of course your transmission mounts, bolts, your starter, and don't forget about the flywheel bolts. There's only 4. That's a 2007 engine. That's why it's changed. That's the subframe that was on it. I took the subframe off there, put it on my car. 2012 to 2007. I left the transmission. I don't need the transmission. My transmission is just fine. The difference is on the motors, the water, the coolant. That's the difference. The coolant. It's the size of the line that runs to the heater core. That's the only difference. 2012, I think it's maybe, I don't know, 5/8 holes. Don't quote me on that, but this is like 2007 looks to be 3/4. There's a big difference. But for people that's got Dodge Calibers and they're running hot and you change the thermostat, don't forget you got 2 thermostats. And I'm about to show you. Here's one. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's another one in there. There's 2 thermostats back to back. This one's shot already, so I'm not even gonna bother with that. And I'm doing this one-handed. I can use it, but I can't even make a fist. So if you think it can't be done, take a close look at where I'm at. I broke down in a parking lot. Man, when I get it running, I'll let you know.